Hey everyone, I'm Rob and welcome to the test drive. So this is kind of a weird video that I didn't think I was going to be making, but based on some recent events as of this evening, I figured it'd be a good idea because there's probably a lot of people that either don't know anything about this because they're not creating content on YouTube, or people that are just getting into YouTube or are really small channels or something like that. That are maybe confused or frustrated or something like that. But basically YouTube has changed the requirements to be a YouTube partner and has made it so a channel has to have 4,000 hours of viewing within the last 12 months, which that's 240,000 minutes. And for our channel, I mean, we did that basically in the last 30 days. But the second requirement is to have 1,000 subscribers. And for us, we are just shy of 600 awesome subscribers. YouTube's doing this, at least from what I can tell, because they want to allocate the revenue, the ad revenue, to the channels that are earning the most, basically, and those are the channels that are actually providing a living for people. So for me, this has been, doing this for around 5 months, and it's been a lot of fun, and it's been more so a hobby than anything else. Obviously, it's been nice to be able to earn some money from it, but for us, regardless of what happens here, nothing is going to change. I'm still going to make videos, still going to post content, still going to review cars, but there's basically a deadline to hit that 1,000 subscribers, and that's February 20th, I think. So I decided that we might as well try and hit that 1,000, and let's do a giveaway on the channel. Let's have some fun with this. So what I want to do is, if we hit the 1,000 subscribers by that February 20th deadline, I'm going to give away a GoPro Hero 4 Session camera just like this. This is an awesome action camera, great for automotive or sports or anything really. And this is the camera that I started this YouTube channel with. I have another much more expensive camera now, and some other gear and things like that I'm starting to use. But this camera made a lot of the videos that are on this channel completely on its own. So it's a great camera, and I'm excited to give one away on this channel. So what we're going to do is, if we hit the 1,000 subscribers, I will give one of these away at the end of February, and I will pick a name randomly from those that are subscribed to this channel. So get everybody that you know to subscribe to this channel if you want to win this, because obviously that's going to make it so that I actually give one of these away. So I think we're gonna have a lot of fun with this. I'm looking forward to giving one of these away, and just so you guys know, the videos aren't gonna stop. So regardless of what happens, if we don't hit the 1,000 by the end of February, we're going to hit it probably right after that. But it would be awesome, obviously, for us to hit that. And, then I get to give one of these away. So leave me a comment if you want. Let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed to this channel and you'd like to, please feel free to do so. Obviously, it's going to enter your name into the giveaway. I had another video I was going to be posting tomorrow instead, which is of the 2018 Expedition. I also have some other reviews that are in process or already done, and I have a bunch of car content from my trip to New Orleans that I just got back from. So a lot of cool stuff coming to the channel, but I did want to post this and do a giveaway because I figured, hey, why not? And obviously let you guys know that nothing is going to change. So I'll see you guys soon in another video.